Budget-friendly vegetarian meals. Introduction.
Eating healthy and saving money can go hand in hand. Whether you're a college student, a busy professional, or simply looking to cut down on grocery bills, vegetarian meals are a great option. In this video, you'll discover 3 quick, affordable recipes that are nutritious, delicious, and perfect for anyone wanting to eat well on a budget.
Recipe 1. Chickpea stir-fry.
Chickpea stir-fry is a protein-packed meal that's ready in minutes. Sauté canned chickpeas with your choice of fresh or frozen vegetables, like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Season with garlic, soy sauce, and a pinch of black pepper. Serve over cooked rice or quinoa for a balanced, filling dish. It's affordable, high in fiber, and customizable to your taste.
Recipe 2. Vegetable lentil soup.
Lentil soup is both hearty and light on your wallet. In a large pot, simmer chopped onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. Add rinsed lentils, a can of diced tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Season with cumin, thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook until lentils are tender. This soup is rich in nutrients, keeps well in the fridge, and is great for meal prep.
Recipe 3. Savory oatmeal bowl.
Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast, it makes a tasty, savory meal too. Cook rolled oats with vegetable broth instead of water. Stir in spinach, peas, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast or shredded cheese. Top with sliced avocado or a fried egg for extra protein. This dish is inexpensive, filling, and a creative way to get more veggies.
Making healthy eating affordable.
You don't have to spend a lot to eat nutritious, satisfying meals. Using pantry staples like beans, lentils, and oats lets you create endless vegetarian dishes without breaking the bank. Experiment with spices and seasonal veggies to keep things interesting. With simple recipes like these, healthy eating can fit any budget and taste great too.